Hello, this is our introductory video for our senior project. Our project is Analyzing Biological Networks. My name is Ariel Sari and my team member is Aviatar SCIS. Our product owner is Ananda Mandal and our professor is Masood Sajadi. So the main objective of this project is to develop an app for the software cytoscape. This app can then be used to identify click and bipartite-like structures from a biological network, and then display the results as subgraphs. These subgraphs can then be used to represent disease progression on a protein network level. As of now, there is currently no app for the software cytoscape that provides this feature. Here is our system design, the architecture. We have the software cytoscape in this diamond shape. It takes in a network file, and all these boxes represent our components and how they all interact to create subgraphs using the algorithms that we help design. SciFinder is the name of our plugin. The subgraph finder is responsible for the logic of our plugin, and this is the communicator which links both of them together. And there's some extra text here which shows the process in a little more detail. This is just a basic overview of our project, of how the SciFinder plugin works. It reads in the graph, it does searching algorithms onto that graph, and then it returns a bunch of subgraphs, or you can write it to a file. And on the bottom here is how the algorithm works. This project uses breadth first search and depth first search as its main algorithms. And for the system design, the steps are basically that the SciFinder plugin must first be installed in the Cytoscape application before it can be used. The data must then be imported into Cytoscape for use with SciFinder. The data imported must be set as undirected before any subgraphs can be found using either the additive method or transformative method available in SciFinder. And then once the data has been pre-processed, bipartite and click subgraphs can then be found after selecting the type of search algorithm to use and the specified option for display. So this project was has it been existing before we started on it. It actually was first originally started in 2016. So we contributed by adding a few more features, and some of these contributions are basically creating a component that checks for the bipartite condition using the breadth first search algorithm, providing an easier way to group and display subgraphs through Cytoscape. We implemented a component for parsing, purging, and handling Cytoscape data. We also integrated the SciFinder app in Subgraph Finder module. And lastly, we added more functionality to the user interface. As mentioned earlier, the main algorithm this project uses is breadth first and depth first to generate the subgraphs based on the condition given, which is either the click condition or bipartite condition. And for our summary, SciFinder has been worked on over the last few years and had many features added. Currently, this plugin can detect bipartite and click subgraphs using breadth first search and depth first search for the searching algorithm. In addition, this plugin now provides what group the nodes in the bipartite subgraphs belong to. This grouping attribute allows the user to display the nodes side by side for better visualization. Some future features that can be added are displaying the largest complete subgraphs within a bipartite subgraph and allowing the user some more sorting options. Thank you.